Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the top-notch railroad renovation update 21,222-2/2.1. This is my mountain, and I was waiting for trees to come in, and they came in while I was doing a live earlier. So during the live, I started putting the trees on. Obviously not finished, but I think I'm done for the evening. But and I do have a special surprise that's going to sit atop of the mountain, which I'm not going to reveal. But I don't normally not reveal it. I normally would reveal it, but because I feel it's going to be a special surprise, I'm not. But I do have to add more trees, and I think I'm done for the evening, simply because I'm a little tired. But this is what's going on. And of course, I'm going to add lights to it because that's what I do as an electrician. I light up everything. But it's not looking too bad. And again, I got to put a lot more trees on there. So I hope you're enjoying my updates. And please stay tuned for more on the way.